What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be learning how to mod and do custom liveries on the Headwinds A330-900 Neo. Alright guys, so in this video we're going to mod the A330-900 Neo with custom liveries like this Thai Air livery. This is not that hard to do and I will show you how you do it. Basically, if you come over here and let's go ahead and go to the main menu in Microsoft Flight Simulator, you can see all the liveries that I have on the plane, and I will show you how to get them. So let's go ahead and go to the plane, and you can see there's both of the stock liveries and the white livery that it comes with. I also have the KLM 100 years livery, the Qatar Airways livery, Air France, Airbus House, Thai Airways, and British Airways. So getting these is actually pretty easy, so let's go ahead and see how we do that. Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to do is load up a browser, and then we're going to go ahead and go to this website right here called flightsim.2, and then you're going to type in this link, https://flightsim.2/livery/airbus A330-900. So this right here will show all the liveries that you can get for the plane, and then after this I'll show you how to download the plane for free. So let's go ahead and go to the website. So right here you can see all of the liveries that you can get with the A330-900 Neo. We have lots of options like Brunei, Apollo, Flymax, even a ketchup one, which is kind of funny. So let's say I just want to download the Azul one. So let's go and click on it and it's going to load up. Let's see the photos. I'd say this looks really cool and really nice on the plane. So the first thing we're going to do is, you see this giant download button. We're going to download it and there's going to be a countdown. Okay guys, the countdown has finished and you can see how we're going to download this. First click I'm Not a Robot and start download. So as you can see up here, the plane is downloading into a zip file with the livery. So now you can see, now I'm going to show you how we're going to go ahead and download the plane itself that we have in Microsoft Flight Simulator. So first, on the livery, you're going to see this add-on is related to, and it's going to have a link. If you click that, it'll load up the plane. So we'll see get it here, and it's going to go to the page. This is the download for the plane. It's a very nice plane, very realistic, and I've flown it a lot. So we can see that I already downloaded it, and if you look at the link in the description, you'll see all of a tutorial on how to get the plane that I will make in the future. So heads up for that. Okay guys, back over here again. Now we're going to find our community folder. So the first thing you're going to do is go to the Microsoft.Flight Simulator file, local cache, packages, community. And you're going to see all of my mods and liveries here, or whatever you have. It'll probably be empty for you if it's your first time modding. Next thing you're going to do is go ahead and find the file that you downloaded. So it's going to be this file right here. Then we're going to extract it, and after it extracts, you can see that there's a file inside it. Oh wow, let's say I want this. This is the livery right here. Don't move any of this. Keep this the same. If you see, it's going to be two files. When you open this, there's a file inside it. This right here is the actual livery. It's a new thing, I guess, because that's just how my computer works. So if you're on Windows 11, the livery is just going to be like this inside another file. Now I'm going to show you how to install it. Okay guys, I'm on my home screen now. As you can see, here's a livery, and I'm going to grab it, go to the community folder, and just drop it in here just like that. You don't have to do anything else. Then the next thing that you have to do is go ahead and load up Microsoft Flight Simulator. Alright guys, we're back in Microsoft Flight Simulator. Now I'm going to show you where the livery is. Since we downloaded it and put the file in the community folder, all we need to do is this. Go to the world map, then we'll go to our plane, select liveries, and right here it's going to show up Azul. And that's how you do it. Now let's see if it works in game. Okay guys, as you can see, we have loaded in with the plane, and it has the livery that we installed. What a nice livery. So if you have any questions about this tutorial or need any help, either join my Discord or just leave a comment below asking for help, and if you have a glitch, and I will immediately try my best to help you. Anyways guys, have a great time with your new plane.